Hey guys, Pet79. Just a quick video. I want to show you guys my Brous blade division import. So this is the Chinese made from Brous blade. So this is the division model, and I want to show you guys the first of all the edge, and going with a Sharpie, and just want to show you guys the angle. All right, let's look at Mr. Angle right there. I'm not even touching the edge itself. I'm not even touching, so I'm gonna have to raise that puppy like I don't know how long to be able to go. So still need to go up on this. Let me go to 25. Just make a few swipes here on 25. Guys, I'm not even touching on 25 here, so all right, let's go back and see. A few passages. I'm getting close, but I'm not even on the edge of 25. Holy crapper. So let's go up again. Let's go up a little. Not. Man, I think I'm gonna run out of room on this thing. Yeah, Brous blade. If you're making your your stuff in China, please make it so that it's sharpenable with some system like that. So can only go to 30 degrees here on this thing. This is crazy. Nope. All right, let's go up again. 20. I'm guessing 27. Me look with the jeweler's lens. I'm still not hitting it, but I'm guessing that's, yeah, no, that's not even close. There's still a couple of. All right, let's go up again. Tiny bit. Well, think we hit the spot. I should be able to work with this. So yeah. Oh, here we go. So it's getting close towards that edge there. So yeah. Oh yeah, Brous blade. So yeah, I don't like the division, and now I know why. So it's not really ergonomic, well, especially for the Chinese import, but the sharpening angle is just from the factory. Come on, guys. Come on. Even the Gonzos are better than this. Man, Gonzos for the money, if you can get them, because, you know, since I'm in Canada, I can't order any Gonzos from the States. So, but guys, from a manufacturer like Brous blades, yeah, you need to tell your people in China to put at least like a 17 degrees or below 20 on your knives, because whoo, that's not cool. So I know this is a working edge, but you know, you could put 45 degrees angle and it's still gonna be a working edge. So yeah, no, I don't like it. I'm just gonna sharpen that thing because that thing ain't sharp. So I'm just gonna go on the ceramic, just a basic sharpening just to make it sharp, because that thing is just, if I'm gonna resell it, I want somebody to buy it to have a good edge. So, and I'm probably gonna sell it because I don't really like that knife. So alright guys, just a quick video just showing you guys that insane angle on the Brous blade division import from China. That's Chinese, what do you expect? Well, Gonzos are Chinese and they're fucking good knives. So yep. Alright, catch you guys on the next one.